everyone. I am Devdutt speaking. Today's my topic's name is supply correspondence. Now we discuss about supply correspondence. We can see that supply correspondence and this graph and supply correspondence refers to the maps is possible price vector to a set of production plans. That's mean output quantities that a farm is willing and able to produce to maximize its profit. In macroeconomics, a supply correspondence maps to the indicates that there might be multiple equally profitable production plans, which can happen in case like constant return to scale or a specific market structure. It's a formal way to represent a farm's optimal choice under varying prices given its production technology. Supply correspondence is the generalist of the supply function in economics. A supply function gives an unique quantity supplied for its possible price. For example, QS of a P equal to P means at price P, supplies provide exactly 2P unit. In this graph, we can see that here the pi equal profit line and Q of F Q equal F of Z equal supply correspondence. In the graph, the production plan that solves the PMP is the farm's supply correspondence Y of P, and more formally we can define the profit function P of P equal P into Y of P. Now we discuss about the properties of supply correspondence. So that in properties of supply correspondence, we are consider two properties that are convex production set of Y and Hotelling lemma. Now we explain convex production set of Y. We can see that a convex production set Y is the set of all feasible input-output vectors with the property that any convex combination of two feasible production plans is also feasible. In this graph, we can see that Y has a flat surface of a tangency with the isoprofit line. Associated with the highest profit level, the supply correspondence Y of P is the region of a tendency between the isoprofit line and the production set. If Y is strictly convex, then the tendency condition is the single point. Supply correspondence Y of P equals single valued. Then we discuss about the second properties, Hotelling lemma. Hotelling lemma refers to the links the profit function to the farm's supply decision. It stated that the gradient of the profit function with respect to price equals the farm's net supply vector. In this Hotelling lemma, we are equation formulated the if Y of P consists of a single point, then pi of naught is indifference of a P naught. Moreover, del P pi of a P prime equal Y of a P naught. This is the application of the duality theorem from a consumer theory. If Y of naught is a function differentiable at a P naught, then dpy of a P naught equal dp square pi of P. In this discuss Hotelling lemma, we have considered the two effects, own substitution effect and cross substitution effect. First, own substitution effect. It is a main diagonal elements in the dpy of a P naught are non-negative. The own substitution effect refers to especially to the substitution effect that result from a change of the gold own prices, not an cross price change. That's when cross price change is not change. Here the function is del y k of P divided by del pk greater than 0 for all of k. Then we discuss cross substitution effect. The cross substitution effect, that means the correspondence change in demand for a good when the price of another good change. Holding utility constant, del y naught of a p del divided by del pk equal to del y k of a p equal del pt for all t of k. Now we discuss the law of supply holds. In this law of supply holds, since the no budget constant, there is no wealth compensation requirement. This implies that there are no income effects, only substitution effect. That's mean income effect not included and substitution effect are included. That's video are indeed. Thank you everyone watching my last video. Thank you.